previous class we discussed dot product and cross product and polygonal, triangular and parallelogram law of vectors. Today we discussed commutative law of vectors. If two vectors A bar and B bar, in commutative law A bar plus B bar is equal to B bar plus A bar. Second law, associative law of vectors. In associative law, if three vectors A bar, B bar and C bar, A bar plus of B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar of plus C bar. Third one, distributive law of vectors. If three vectors M bar, N bar and P bar, that is M bar plus N bar of P bar is equal to that the P will be distributed for both the M1 and N. So M into P bar and N into P bar. Properties. Some other properties of dot product and cross product. In dot product, A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot A bar. In dot product, it obeys commutative law of vectors. A bar dot of B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar dot B bar, A bar dot C bar. A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar. So distributive law also obey in dot product. In dot product, A bar dot A bar is equal to A square. Same we see in cross product. A bar cross B bar is equal to minus B bar cross A bar. So it is not to obey commutative law of vector. Commutative law of vector. Second point, A bar cross of B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. So it obeys distributive law. So distributive law obey in dot product and cross product. Here third point is A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. Here A bar dot A bar is equal to A square in dot product. Here A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. Problems. Some problems. The first problem, find the dot product of two vectors A bar 2I bar plus 3J bar plus 4K bar, B bar I bar minus 2J bar plus K bar. Solve this problem in dot product. You know, in dot product, I bar dot I bar is equal to J bar dot J bar is equal to I bar dot I bar is equal to J bar dot J bar is equal to K bar dot K bar is equal to 1. Then you have to directly use this equation. I into I is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Here J into J is equal to 1. 3 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 6. K into K is equal to 1. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Okay, this is the minus 6. This is the this plus this 6 plus 6. Both are cancelled. Answer is 0. The vertical component of a vector is equal to its horizontal component. What is the angle made by the vector with the x-axis? Okay, see, the vertical component of a vector, is equal to its horizontal component. What is the angle made by the vector with the x-axis? So this is the vector A bar. This vector A bar can be resolved into two components. One is the horizontal component. Second one is the vertical component. Horizontal is AX, that is A cos theta. Vertical component is AY, that is equal to A sin theta. This is the given. What is the given? Vertical component is equal to horizontal component. This is the given. Vertical component is equal to horizontal components. What is the horizontal component? A cos theta. What is the vertical component? A sin theta. A cancel. So sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. That implies tan theta is equal to 1. So theta is equal to tan inverse 1, that is equal to 45 degrees. If P bar is equal to 2I bar plus 4J bar plus 14K bar and Q bar is equal to 4I bar plus 4J bar plus 10K bar, find the magnitude of P bar plus Q bar. P bar plus Q bar is equal to addition of two vectors I 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 4 8, 14 plus 10 is equal to 24. This is the addition of P bar plus and Q bar. The magnitude of P bar plus Q bar, that is modulus of P bar plus Q bar, is equal to root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. I is along the x-axis, y is along the along the y-axis, and k is along the z-axis. So the magnitude of two vectors P bar plus Q bar is equal to, this is the formula, ax square plus ay square plus az square. So this is the I-axis, this is x-axis belongs to I, y-axis belongs to j, and z-axis belongs to k. So that is, what is the in x-axis I, that is 6 square. This is the along y-axis, that is 8 square, along the z-axis 24 square. So 6 into 6 36, 8 into 8 64, 24 into 24 576. So that is equal to, this is 100 plus this is 576, 676, a square root, this 26 is the answer. When two right-angled vectors of magnitude, one is the 7 unit and second one is the 24 unit combined, what is magnitude of their resultant? What is the magnitude of their resultant? Two vectors, these two are right angles to each other. This is P, this is the Q. Q is 24, P is 7. These two are 90 right angles. That means angle between these 7 and 24 is 90 degrees. So this can be solved by using parallelogram law. Parallelogram law of vectors. What is the parallelogram of vectors in resultant? R is equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So P is equal to 7 units, 7 square. Q is equal to 24 units, 24 square plus 2 into P7 and Q24 cos theta is the 90. So theta is the, here theta is equal to, here cos theta is equal to 90, cos 90 is equal to 0. So this term total 0, that is 7 square 49, 24 square 576, adding these to 625, the answer is 25 units. Vectors is given, a bar is equal to I bar plus 3j bar minus 2k bar, and b bar is equal to 2I bar plus j bar minus 3k bar. This problem can be solved by using cross product. Okay. Next, write down the components of first vector, that is 1 3 minus 2. Again this will be this is repeated, 1 3 2. Write down the second vector components, 2 1 minus 3. This will be again write 2 1 minus 3. Next, eliminate this column and this column. Eliminate these two columns. Right, a bar cross b bar is equal to, write down the another bracket, another bracket, 3 into 3 minus 9, minus 2 into minus half, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus, so minus 9 plus 2, that is equal to minus 7. So next, this is minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus of minus 1 into 3 minus 3, that is equal to minus 4 minus into minus plus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Next 1 into 1 1. Next minus of 3 into 2 6. 1 minus 5 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. So the solution here, across in solution here, the vector 7 j bar minus 7 j bar minus 7 I bar minus 7 I bar minus j bar minus 5 k bar. So a bar cross b bar is equal to minus 7 I bar minus j bar minus 5 k bar. This is the solution. A force of 2 I bar plus 3 j bar plus 5 k bar acts on a particle having a position vector 3 I bar plus 12 j bar plus 6 k bar with reference to an axis. Find the torque. Solution: force is given. Force is equal to 2 I bar plus 3 j bar plus 5 k bar. R bar is given, that is equal to position vector, that is R bar is given, that is 3 I bar plus 12 j bar plus 6 k bar. Okay, this can be solved. Write down the force vector components 2 3 5. Again rewrite this 2 3 5 2 3 5. Next second vector components, write down here 3 12 3 3 12 6. Again write here 3 12 6. This is the 5, this is the 6, this is 6. Eliminate this and this column and this column. So that is 3 into 6 18 minus of 12 into 5 60. Next 5 into 3 15 minus of 2 into 6 minus 12. Next 2 into 12 24 minus of 3 into 3 minus 9. So this is 42, this is 3, this is the 15. The torque F into R, force into position vector, is equal to, solution is 42 I bar plus 3 j bar plus 15 k bar. Find the magnitude and direction of given vectors. Here 3 vectors is given. A bar is equal to 4 I bar minus j bar. B bar is equal to minus 3 I bar plus 2 j bar. C bar is equal to minus 3 j bar. This problem can solve by using addition of vectors. Take, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. What is the A bar? A bar is equal to 4I minus j. I belongs to x-axis, j belongs to y-axis. Plus 4 minus 1. So this is the plus 4, this is the minus 1, this is the A bar. Next B bar. B bar is equal to minus 3I. I belongs to x-axis, j belongs to y-axis. So minus 3. So this is the x-axis, this is the minus 3. Minus 3, this is the plus 2. This is the y-axis, this is 2, this is the B bar. Next C bar, minus 3j. J belongs to y-axis, minus j, that is minus, this is the 3, so it is C bar. So magnitude of Rx is equal to Ax plus Bx plus Cx. That is, what is Ax? This is the 4. What is the Bx? This is the bx, this is the 4 ax4 bx, this is the b vector, x direction, that is this is the bx minus 3, there is no c here 0, so 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. ry is equal to ay plus by plus cy. A bar is, this is the a vector, ay, this is the along axis, so ay is equal to 1, so downward direction taken as negative sign, plus by, this is the vector b, this is the y, so this is the 2. Next cy, y is the y axis like this, this is the y axis, so cy, this is minus 3, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4 plus 2, so minus 2. Of r bar we have to calculate it. Find out here magnitude of r bar is equal to root of rx square plus ry square. Rx, you know, 1, so 1 square. Ry minus 2, you know, minus 2 whole square, so 1 square 1, minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4, so 4, 1 plus 4 root 5. This is the magnitude of given 3 vectors. Then you have to calculate find out the direction of 3 vectors. Tan theta is equal to ry by rx, that is equal to ry minus 2, rx is 1, minus 2 by 1, that is equal to minus 2. So theta is equal to tan inverse minus 2. I think approximately this value becomes 63 point something.